YouTube, what's going on? Kevin the Tech Ninja. And this video was actually a fan requested video. A few months ago, I did a video overview on the Roborock S5, and I told you why it was my favorite robotic vacuum cleaner, period. It has a lot of great features, but what I love about it is that it has an additional mop attachment so you can mop the floor. I have laminate and hardwood floors in my house, so mopping was really big to me. About a month ago, I covered the more budget little brother of it, and its name is the Xiaowa. Depending on your needs, this might be the best pick for you, coming in at $399. It has a lot of the same features that makes the S5 my favorite robotic vacuum cleaner. And you just may be wondering, what are the differences? My name is Kevin the Tech Ninja, and I'm gonna do a comparison between the two right now. So as I said in the intro, we have the Xiaowa and also the S5. And a big thanks to Roborock for sponsoring this comparison. Let's start off with some specifications between the two. The Roborock S5 full price is $463, while the Xiaowa is $369. As always, I'll leave a link in the description down below, and that way you can get the updated pricing because these both do go on sale and there's like special pricing periodically. Let's dig into the main differences between the two. Visually, they're nearly identical outside of the color. They're around the same size overall, but each of them have a big advantage over the other. The S5 has a battery capacity of 5200 milliamp and the Xiaowa gives you 2600 milliamp, which in real world usage will give you 150 minutes on the S5 and the Xiaowa will give you 90 minutes of clean time. Now the Xiaowa does have a bigger dustpan at 640 milliliters versus 480 milliliters on the S5. But the suction power is much stronger on the S5. Not to take anything away from the Xiaowa, but if you have the budget, the S5 might be a better choice for thicker carpets. Also, both units you are able to change the type of clean, so let's say you don't need all that power at one time, you can change it right here. The advantage of that is you have a silent mode, which makes it much quieter. So if you're in the house with other people and you don't want to disturb people, you can put it on this silent mode, which you can still get a pretty decent clean without producing all that sound. But the difference is what makes S5 a more premium bot. It gives you a zone cleanup that allows you to pick a point on the map for you to clean. So it's kind of great to move it right by the door to just clean up the mess, and that's it. What's nice about Zone Clean is that you can draw multiple boxes and determine how many times the bot goes to that area. Also, there's a go option. This moves the bot to a specific spot, and from there, you can launch a spot clean. And that is probably my favorite feature because it's using their LDS system. It gives it the ability to scan the room and map it out, and also it remembers your room as long as you allow it to dock automatically and you don't move the bot. So the Xiaowa does not have the LDS system. It can't generate a detailed map that you're seeing here with the S5, so you can't use these Go features, you can't draw boxes and things like that. But what it does have is the dual gyroscope system, which is composed of 7 deacceleration sensors. So it doesn't bang into your furniture, but it does have the ability to go through soft objects like curtains and also soft sheets, and it can go around blind corners. So at the end of the day, it's up to you and also your budget. But if you're asking me, there is one feature that I have to have. In my opinion, it must go to the laser navigation system. That enables the smart cleaning functions, and overall, you get a more precise cleaning. Here's an example of it cleaning a room I have. As you can see, the S5 takes a precise approach, giving me very straight lines when it's done, versus the Xiaowa. It does clean the room well, but it's not as precise as it cleans. You can see it kind of goes back and goes across the lines it made. Overall, it just depends on your budget and what features matter to you. These are both stellar robotic vacuum cleaners, but which one is the best for you? For me, I love being able to send the robotic vacuum cleaner off to specific areas of my house. And sometimes I just need it to clean near the door, so I can send it over there and have it come right back when it's done, instead of cleaning the whole floor. Anyways, guys, let me know what you think down below. And also, I'm running a giveaway. I'm gonna host that on my Twitter account, so make sure you follow me over there at Tech Ninja Speaks. Anyways, guys, I'm Kevin the Tech Ninja. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe. Talk to you guys later.
KTTN, say it again. Tell a friend to tell a friend that it's him again. Yo, real talk, opinions gon' be sharper than 4K. Scope Squad, eat it up, simmer it, saute. Ninja got reviews and rants galore. You ain't never seen a channel like this before. No hashtag.